how to transition from walking to running. Are you ready to embark on an exciting fitness journey that could transform your life? Imagine the thrill of running freely, feeling empowered with every stride. Whether you're aiming for a healthier lifestyle or dreaming of crossing that finish line, I'll guide you every step of the way. Embrace patience and optimism, as transitioning from walking to running is a gradual process. Visualize your goals and stay positive. Commit to the journey and discover the joy of running. Begin by setting realistic, attainable goals. Start with short, manageable distances and gradually increase them. Celebrate small wins to build confidence and momentum. Writing down your progress keeps you focused and motivated. Make running a part of your lifestyle, one step at a time for sustainable progress. Invest in a good pair of running shoes that provide the right support and comfort. Wear moisture-wicking apparel to stay cool and dry. Proper gear reduces the risk of injury and enhances your running experience. With the right tools, you'll feel ready to tackle any challenge. Create a running schedule that gradually increases intensity and duration. Alternate between walking and running to build endurance. Incorporate rest days to allow your body to recover. Stick to your plan and trust the process. Consistency is key to successfully transitioning from walking to running. Maintain a relaxed posture with a slight lean forward, keeping your arms loose and swinging naturally. Land softly on the midfoot to reduce impact. Proper form enhances efficiency and prevents injuries. Practice these techniques to improve your running mechanics, making each run a comfortable experience. Join a community or find a running buddy to stay accountable. Listen to uplifting music or podcasts during your runs. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Surround yourself with positivity and encouragement to maintain motivation. Your journey is unique, so be proud of every step you take. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey. Accept them as learning experiences and stay flexible with your plan. Listen to your body and make adjustments when needed. You're capable of overcoming any hurdle on your path to becoming a runner. Keep pushing forward with determination and resilience. Ready to take the leap from walking to running? Set your goals, lace up your shoes, and step outside. The road to running is waiting for you. Embrace the challenge and discover the runner within. Your transformation begins now.